is there any viable path for solo quants to succeed outside large firms?
I'm fairly pessimistic on the solo retail side of quant trading. Can you make a living at it? Yes. I don't know. I think maybe this comes down to my personal preference, but I think you can have a much more balanced life running some sort of small firm, right? I mean, being solo in your basement or in your office or whatever, solo trading, I think it's very hard to compete. I still stand by, I think that you need a team, whether it's you and 5 friends, whether, it's you and 200 people in a massive corporation. I think there's a lot of scalability and advantages in having a team around you. I think just profitability wise and life balance wise in the long run, I think it's just much more reasonable to be on a team versus kind of running solo.
I think this is similar to what Matthew said, that at least you have 2%, one handling data and one, inferring from it.
I think a lot of this feel crazy. I mean, I've worked solo for stints at the time, and a lot of times you're in your own head, and you kind of either get like a self-confirmation bias that you know everything, or maybe you end up in the opposite camp where you doubt everything and you feel you have no skills. I think it always is helpful to have somebody, at least someone to bounce ideas off and to kind of have some sort of balance and check in the process.